My grandfather worked at Lockheed Martin for 40 years. He died when I was 10, so I didn't get to know him very well. And I never got to ask him a lot of the questions that I would ask now. There are certain things that you wouldn't think could possibly be a coincidence. Like there's coincidences and then there's this. Recently, an Indie Ridge insider hands me this cardboard box filled with this warped, twisted titanium. This is what's left of the first SR-71 Blackbird to crash. It was piloted by a famous CIA pilot, Jack Layden. You've got to be the best of the best of the best to fly these planes. They hear him talking about it the next day. He was talking about it like nothing had happened. He just ejected at Mach 3 while his SR-71 slammed into the ground.
The crew has ejected from the aircraft. The aircraft is over the east.
And so I decided that I'm going to cut up 300 pieces. I'm going to put them on the hang tag of every boot. The boot itself is awesome, but the little piece of titanium, it's hard to even put a price on it. My grandfather, he was a plane designer. There's a good chance he worked on the titanium that was in that cardboard box to make those planes. When I was 8, he made me this little airplane. Now that I'm 38, I decided to make him this special edition boot. This is the coolest project I will ever work on. This titanium, it might be priceless, I don't know, but it's gonna make for a hell of a boot.